Good morning. Our project title is Sustainable Technologies for Packaging Application, which is presented by me, Vikas Chandraria, and my teammates Ullas, Rohit, and Vikas Singh. So, the world we are living in comprises of many man-made pollution that not just affects mankind but also a variety of creatures living in our ecosystem. Annually, mankind develops billions of tons of plastic pollutants, in which nearly 40% of the single-use consumable products are such as plastic glasses and bottles. Targeting this, we have come up with a biodegradable solution that can hardly affect the environment as such. The bottle compresses with a areca leaf that is cleaned and soaked in water and then pressed hard against the heated molds to obtain the desired shape and texture. The accurate temperature and pressure are allotted to make the final product. Moreover, the molds are designed and fabricated precisely to withstand temperature and pressure, securing the leaf together. The various parts are joined together to make a secure structure by using a resin, which is also a biodegradable product. So this is the product we come up with. So let's see the process involved to make this product.
The very first step in the process is the cleaning of leaves. The leaves are cleaned under running tap water by using a brush to make sure they're clean and free from dust and dirt particles on the ground and hygienic enough for further purposes. After the cleaning process, the leaves are cut into dimension and soaked in a bucket of clean water for about 20 to 30 minutes until they are soft and pliable for application in molds. After soaking the leaves for the required time, the leaves will be soft and pliable enough to be put into molds for further processing. The next process is the preparation of different parts of the bottle. The soaked leaves are sandwiched in between the molds and pressed tightly together so that it takes the shape of the mold. The load was previously measured by using load cells and is being applied as it is. Next, the mold with the leaf is kept on top of the gas burner for about 5 to 6 minutes until the leaf takes the shape and all the moisture has been dried. After the application of heat for the required time, the heat is shut off and the mold is removed carefully. The leaf has taken the shape of The application of the leaves in the molds is similar for all the parts. The top part is being put into the mold and kept on the burner. Similarly, the main part of the bottle, which is the middle cylinder, is being put into the mold. The two halves are pressed equally for uniform load distribution. After the heating is completed, the mold is being removed to retrieve the cylinder. The cylinder after being removed from the mold. Next, the joining process of all the parts together to make the bottle. Strips cut out of the same leaf are being used to stick the parts together with the help of food grade adhesives. The strips are added on the inner side of the parts and clips are being used to keep them in place until they are dry. After drying, the clips are removed to stick the next part into place. The top of the bottle or the cone is stuck to the cylinder in the similar manner. After all the three parts have been stuck together with the help of food grade adhesives, the bottle is completed. After joining the bottle and keeping it for drying, the bottle is lightly grinded to make it look seamless and uniform.